have some gifts for you.
Oh.
Yes, for you.
Yes, gifts.
I have 5 gold rings.
5 gold rings, thank you.
4 calling birds.
4 calling birds.
Yeah, just for you.
But I want PS4s.
3 French hens.
3 French hens.
3.
3 French hens. I got
2 turtle doves.
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear
A
tree.
partridge in a pear tree?
What's
I want a teddy bear. Okay.
So, for the 12 days of Christmas, we are going to learn the song, the 12 Days of Christmas. And each time we will repeat it. So, on the first day of Christmas,
On the first day of Christmas,
my true love gave to me
my true love gave to me
a partridge in a pear tree.
a partridge in a pear tree.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
2 turtle doves.
2
turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the
Third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Merry Christmas, everybody. And you'll continue that up to the 12th day with the 12th drummers drumming. Now, let me take your gifts back off you, because I know what you really want is PlayStations and Playmobiles.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so for Christmas, do you know what I would like? Candy and a cup of tea. Can you say that?
Candy and a cup of tea.
What would you like?
I'd like Playmobiles.
A Playmobil.
Yes.
How many?
2.
2 Playmobiles.
2 Playmobiles.
What would you like?
I want a teddy bear.
How many?
3 teddy bears.
3 teddy bears.
I would like a PS4.
A
PS4.
PS4. How many?
4. Obviously.
Everybody. Ben, what would you like?
I would like 5 overballs.
Oh. So are we ready? The same song but with our gifts, okay? On the
First day of Christmas, my true love gave to me candy and a cup of tea. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 Playmobiles and a candy and a cup of tea. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 teddy bears, 2 Playmobiles, and a candy and a cup of tea. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 PS4s, 3 teddy bears, 2 Playmobiles, and a candy and a cup of tea. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 overboards, 4 PS4s, 3 teddy bears, 2 Playmobiles, and some candy and a cup of tea.
That was beautiful.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas from Linguish.